The Expeng Flying Car, developed by Expeng Aero-HT, is not actually called the Expeng Flying Car, but rather the Expeng X2. It's a two-seater electric flying car that completed the first public flight in Dubai. Here are some of its features. Modular design. The ground module can recharge the air module, and they can automatically separate and combine. Pure electric vertical takeoff and landing, e-VTOL, human-piloted with both manual and automatic dual driving modes. Distributed electric propulsion for safety in case of single-point failures. 270-degree panoramic two-seater cockpit for an expansive flight view. The Expeng X2 is still under development, and there is no information yet on pricing or availability. However, it represents a significant step forward in the development of flying cars. Alef Flying Car. The Alef Model A is a proposed flying car designed by Alef Aeronautics. It is intended to be a personal transportation device that can both drive on roads and fly through the air. The Alef Model A is an electric vertical take-off and landing (e-VTOL) vehicle. This means that it can take off and land vertically, like a helicopter, but then fly forward like a conventional airplane. The Alef Model A has a range of about 110 miles, 180 kilometers, in the air and 200 miles, 320 kilometers, on the road. Here are some of the features of the Alef Model A. Electric vertical takeoff and landing, e-VTOL, can drive on regular roads and fit into a regular parking space. Unique tilting design that allows it to fly in any direction. Cinematic 180-degree plus view for safe and enjoyable flight. It is important to note that the Alef Model A is still in development. There are many challenges that need to be overcome before flying cars become a reality, such as safety, regulation, and infrastructure. However, the Alef Model A is an interesting concept that could one day change the way we travel. A black fly e-VTOL aircraft from Opener completed a test flight in Saskatchewan, Canada, in November 2019. Opener. If electric vertical takeoff and landing. The black fly is designed for easy operation and can be flown from a variety of surfaces, including grass, water, asphalt, snow, and ice. Here are some of its features. Fixed-wing design with tandem wings. All-electric propulsion. Single-seat cockpit. Fly-by-wire flight controls. Ballistic parachute for safety. Can be disassembled and fit into a small truck. The black fly is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize personal transportation. It is quiet, emissions-free, and easy to fly, making it a viable option for short-distance trips. The black fly is designed for easy operation and can be flown from a variety of surfaces, including grass, water, asphalt, snow, and ice. Here are some of its features. Fixed-wing design with tandem wings. All-electric propulsion. Single-seat cockpit. Fly-by-wire flight controls. Ballistic parachute for safety. Can be disassembled and fit into a small truck. The black fly is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize personal transportation. It is quiet, emissions-free, and easy to fly, making it a viable option for short-distance trips. The Klein Vision Air car is a two-seat, road-legal flying car that transforms from a car to an airplane in under 3 minutes. Designed by Professor Stefan Klein in Slovakia, the air car is a marvel of modern engineering. Here are some of its impressive features. Dual-mode operation. Transitions from a sports car to an aircraft with the click of a button. BMW engine. Powered by a 1.6-liter BMW engine with an impressive 140 horsepower. Flight performance. It boasts a cruising speed of up to 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour, with a maximum range of 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles. Takeoff and landing. Requires a minimum takeoff distance of 300 meters, 984 feet. Safety features. Equipped with a ballistic parachute for emergency situations. The air car has successfully completed numerous test flights, including a recent trip with electronic music pioneer Jean-Michel Jarre as its first passenger. While not yet available for purchase by the general public, Klein Vision has partnered with a Chinese company to manufacture and distribute the air car in China. This is a significant step towards making flying cars a reality. The J2000 is a concept flying car designed by Jobys. It's a two-seater, hybrid electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft that features a novel fluidic propulsion system. Here's what makes the J2000 unique. Fluidic propulsion system, FPS. Instead of conventional propellers or rotors, the J2000 uses a bladeless propulsion system. Air is forced through specially designed hoops which creates lift. Jobys claims this system is more efficient, lighter, and quieter than traditional methods. VTOL capable, the J2000 can take off and land vertically, eliminating the need for a runway. This makes it perfect for urban transportation where space is limited. Performance. The J2000 is designed to have a top speed of 200 miles per hour and a range of 200 miles. This makes it a viable option for both short and long commutes. While the J2000 is still in the concept phase, a quarter-scale model successfully flew in May 2019. Jobys is confident that this technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation. If all goes according to plan, the J2000 could be a reality in the not-so-distant future. Jobys Aviation is a company developing an electric vertical take-off and landing e-VTOL aircraft for use as an air taxi. Here's what we know about it: capacity, pilot and 4 passengers, speed, up to 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers per hour. Range, 100 miles, 161 kilometers. Noise, low acoustic footprint. Benefits, faster travel times in urban areas compared to ground transportation. 0 operating emissions. More flexible than traditional helicopters due to vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Jobys has partnered with several organizations to launch its air taxi service, including Dubai's Road and Transport Authority, RTA. This partnership grants Jobys exclusive rights to operate air taxis in Dubai for 6 years, with a targeted launch date as early as 2025. Focuswire. Skyports. Jobys will collaborate with Skyports to design, build, and operate vertiport sites, which will serve as landing and takeoff locations for the air taxis. Focuswire. U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. Jobys has completed a significant portion of the FAA certification process, which is a key step towards commercial operation. WHIO-TV. While Jobys' electric air taxi isn't yet operational for public use, the company is making significant progress towards launching its service. Dubai is expected to be the first city to offer commercial flights. Bellwether Industries is a London-based aerospace company developing electric vertical takeoff and landing e-VTOL aircraft, also referred to as flying cars. 1. Their vision is to create a new category of private urban aircraft focused on convenience and everyday use. 2. Bellwether's flying cars are part of a growing trend in urban air mobility (UAM), aimed at revolutionizing inner-city transportation. Their designs prioritize sleek aesthetics and user-friendly operation, aiming to make flying cars a personal transportation option. Here's what we know about Bellwether's flying cars. Model: Oryx. Their latest design is a 3-seater aircraft with plans for future 4-seater models. 2. Features: sleek, sports car-like design with no visible wings or external propellers. 4. Initially targeted for private ownership. 1. Designed for vertical takeoff and landing, eliminating the need for runways. 5. Performance: anticipated. Range of up to 80 kilometers, 50 miles, on a single charge. 4. Cruising speed of 140 kilometers per hour, 87 miles per hour. 2. While Bellwether's Oryx is still in development, it has been showcased at events like the Dubai Air Show. 2. The company is aiming for European approval for personal use by 2028. 4. Airspeeder is an electric flying vehicle racing series based in London, United Kingdom. The aircraft, built by Alef Aeronautics, use electric vertical takeoff and landing (e-VTOL) technology and are designed to be crewed by human pilots. The inaugural season, which was remotely piloted, began in 2022. Airspeeder marks a new era in motorsport and a glimpse into the future of transportation. The races are exciting and the technology behind the vehicles is cutting edge. The Archer Midnight is an electric vertical takeoff and landing (e-VTOL) air taxi currently under development by Archer Aviation. It is designed to carry a pilot and 4 passengers with a range of 20 to 50 miles, 32 to 80 kilometers, and a cruise speed of 150 miles per hour, 241 kilometers per hour. Archer Midnight is aiming to revolutionize air travel by providing a safe, sustainable, and low-noise transportation option for short-distance trips. Here are some of its key features. Electric propulsion. The Midnight is powered by 6 electric motors, which are powered by 6 independent battery packs. This makes it an environmentally friendly option for urban transportation. Vertical takeoff and landing. e-VTOL The Midnight can take off and land vertically, which means that it does not need a runway. This makes it possible to operate from rooftops or other small landing pads. Pilot operated. Initially, the Midnight will be operated by a human pilot. However, Archer has plans to develop autonomous capabilities in the future. Rapid recharge. The Midnight is designed to be able to recharge its batteries in minutes between flights. This will help to minimize downtime and keep the aircraft operational. Cost competitive. Archer is targeting a price point that is competitive with ground-based ride-sharing services. This could make e-VTOL air taxis a more affordable option for short-distance travel. Archer is currently working on obtaining certification from the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, for the Midnight. The company expects to begin commercial operations in 2025. The PAL V Liberty is indeed a fascinating concept in personal transportation, blurring the lines between car and aircraft. Here's a breakdown of what we know so far. Dual mode. The PAL V Liberty is a 2-seater vehicle that can function as both a compact car for roads and an autogyro for flying. Imagine driving to an airfield, transforming your car into a flying machine, and soaring through the skies. Licensing requirements. Operating this flying car requires both a driver's license for road use and a pilot's license for flying. This ensures you have the necessary skills for safe operation in both environments. Transformation time. Transitioning from car to flying mode, and vice versa, takes roughly 5 to 10 minutes. This involves deploying the rotor blades and wings, a process that likely requires some designated space. Engine power. The PAL V Liberty utilizes separate engines for driving and flying. This allows for optimized performance in each mode. The road engine might be a conventional gasoline or electric motor, while the flight engine would likely be a powerful one suitable for powering the rotor for lift.